Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. Today's video I'm going to be playing around with some new makeup. If you guys like videos like this, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. It really helps me out, lets me know that you guys like this kind of content. Make sure you subscribe so you can be notified when I do post, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified. I want to play with some new makeup. The other day I received this package from Alori. They are so freaking awesome, so sweet, so nice, and I love their products. If you guys follow Alo, which you should, on Instagram, she's always doing her bomb ass eyebrows, and I love her technique when she does the eyebrow strokes. Super, super nice. So when she said she was coming out with her own, I was like, ooh, we already know it's gonna be what? And just looking at it, I'm like, that's it. So here is the brush. It's double-ended. Here is this side. And here is this side when you want to be a little bit more precise with your strokes. So first I'm gonna go in with some eyebrow wax, and I'm using my Wet n Wild. I'm just gonna go in there just so I can apply a powder, and I feel like this wax really helps with gripping onto the eyebrows. I'm gonna go in with a spoolie just to spoolie these brows, make sure that they're nice and combed. Because now I have hair, y'all. Remember before, these babies didn't even want to get along? All right, let's go in with the pomade. I will be using the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Pomade. If it's a little bit dry, just hydrate it with some oil. I want to do the strokes, so I'm going to go in with the smaller side. You guys have no idea how freaking geeked I am. Strokes. I know I have full eyebrows. It's crazy even saying that, but I really do appreciate the strokes right there. I know some people are probably like, what the fuck? Like, what is she doing? I'm stroking my eyebrow. Like, let me show you how good this, look how thin this is, watch. Like, look how thin that line, look how perfect it is. How? Like, look at that. Every stroke. You know how sometimes you usually have to like pinch your freaking brush? You don't gotta do that. Like, look how good those look. On my chase, I found my new favorite brush. Like, look at that. I am stoked. I don't know how to, like, look at that. Look how nice and thin that is, like, wow. So we're just going to fill in the rest of my brow. I was getting a little bit excited. We're gonna go in with the other side, which is a little bit more thicker. Not too thick, but the right amount of thick. And I'm just going to start just working that in my brow. And just lightly fill in. I am in love. I am freaking in love. Like, oh, thin that is. I'm just like, yes. So thank you so much to Alori. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love it. You killed it like always. Thank you so much. You guys check them out. Look how nice they came out, and just, you can see the stroke flicks in me brows. I know you can. Now I'm going to go in with my Makeup Shack brush. I love this one, you guys. I always rave about it. The T29. It is amazing. So I'm just gonna go in with my middle finger, and I'm just going to apply the rest of that primer. And we're just going to just do stippling motions and apply this to my eyelid, just to give us a nice canvas, I was gonna say area spot. Sometimes I hate when I talk and then I'll stop, like my brain freezes, especially if I'm running on no sleep. And it's like, what were you gonna say? My brain knows what to say, but my tongue is like, hasn't registered what I wanted to say. Does that make sense? I don't know, it's so freaking weird. I hate it sometimes. All right, now for my brows, I am going to use the City Color Be Bold Brow Soap. This stuff is amazing. You don't even have to get it wet. I picked this up at Target the other day, and this is part of the new collection that Wet n Wild is coming out. It's limited edition, and this is honey. Does it smell like honey, or am I tripping? It kind of does. I'm probably tripping. It smells like honey. All right, we're gonna go in with that shade, and I'm using a Morphe E23 brush. And we are just going to do tapping motions first and then blend that. Tapping motions and blend. And I'm wearing yellow. How freaking cute. Go ahead and just keep adding as much as you want. If you want this to have a little bit, add a little. If you want to have a lot, go in and oomph that up. If you don't like something, grab a wipe and start over. It's not permanent. It's makeup loves. I feel like sometimes when we apply makeup and we get bummed out, like, oh, our makeup didn't turn out good. If you have time, wipe it off and start again. We're gonna go with Alori Liner Duo Brush. We're going to pick up that yellow. There it is on the brush. And I'm just going to just add that right above, right there. And we're just tapping it. And then it just starts to blend in with the color that we placed down. I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Shack T88 and we're gonna go in with this pretty cocoa color. Ooh, that's pretty. And we're just going to just work that in and fade that in. Circular motions. I'm gonna go in with a Sonia Kashia brush and I'm just going to pick up that shade again and just kind of intensify it just a little bit more. Bring it back, comb forth. That's what I want, okay. It has a glitter shade in the middle. I'm like so tempted. Ooh, it has like a hint of green too, so you see, watch. So gold, green, gold, green, gold, green, gold, green. So here are the three options that we can pop on the lid. So here are the three options and I am going for the middle. All right, I'm gonna use a ColourPop EYEBROW brush and we are going to go in with that gold shade. Look at that, it pops. Oof. That looks so freaking pretty. And we are just going to add that in. Going to add that to our lid. I'm not going to cut my crease. I'm just going to just apply it like if I was cutting my crease. You know what I mean? So just like that. So do small tapping motions to build up that pigmentation. Like look how buttery that goes on. And like applies like if it's wet. Now we're gonna go in with the Profusion ES3 and I want to go in with this shade right here and just lightly go over this area. Want to make sure that everything blends in very nicely. We want it to look like we just went and it was just like, damn, okay. Ardell sent me some lashes. Here are the lashes that they sent. So freaking beautiful. Love Proudly Ardell Pride. I opened these freaking lit. I'm going to darken the contrast so you guys can see. I freaking love. And they also sent me Steel Lash Glue. Yeah. Thank you so much, Ardell. To get that cat eye effect eye look, I will be going with the bottom ones, which are Demi Wispies. Boom. All right, lashes are done. Now let's move on to our skin. So everyone raves about this Jelly Pop Dew Primer. Everyone's like, it's a dew primer. We'll do half-half, okay? Because I love this e.l.f. primer right here. So this is the Mint Face one that I love, and this one is a new one that everyone raves about that, oh my god, it's so good. So let's try this one out. That has like a nice texture. So we're going to apply that to half. Oh my gosh, it's like, it feels like glue. The other one feels kind of like the same también. All right, we're gonna try them both. Now let's go in with the mint one. I really like the mint one, so watch them be the same. They just repackaged it, huh? Because this one kind of feels igual. We'll see, but this one is green. Yeah, you see, they feel the same. One is just pink and one is green. Yeah, they're the same. I bet you anything, the ingredients are probably the same. So I used this in a previous video and I used it on top and I didn't like how it looked. I didn't really see a difference. So I want to see how it looks underneath. Let's go in. Just going to apply. Ooh, I've used it. I've been like, oh my god, you need this. And I keep feeling like I have FOMO. I'm gonna go in with my AOA Paw Wonder Blender. This is $1.55. So freaking awesome, you guys. It feels so freaking good. right, let me see. It says this is supposed to brighten our under eye. Okay, I kind of see a difference. Do you guys see a difference? I can see it. I don't know if it's like the wow that I was expecting, but I can see it. It's more of to brighten, and I'm over here thinking like, oh, coverage, you know? But it definitely does brighten. You can tell like it does lighten up underneath the eye. It kind of gives me that luminous kind of feel when you apply a luminous primer. This is something new I want to try. This is the J.Cat SkinSurance Max Coverage Silky Foundation, and I'm going to apply the shade Mocha. So I was sent a couple more, so I will be picking 4 winners. So make sure you like the video and leave a comment down below and a way for me to reach you. And you could possibly be a giveaway winner. So let's go in and apply this. I love the concealer, so I can't wait to see how this is going to last. So it's lightweight, long-lasting, a luminous natural glow. Going to dab. Look at that. Looks like it's going to be the perfect match. And we're just going to just tap this into my skin. Oh, that was a perfect match. Look how good that looks, you guys. Like that matches perfectly. So here is foundation. No foundation. Foundation. No foundation. Nice. Now let's apply it to this side. And it feels sort of not thick, but hydrating. I don't know if that's even a word, but it feels very nice, very hydrating. And I freaking love how it's applying. Like, holy moly, that is good. Like, look at that. That looks so good. That looks so freaking good. It is drying down beautifully. I really love the way it's looking. Like, look guys, do you guys see how good this is looking? I don't use filters on my videos, so everything you guys are seeing is my real skin. Like, look, I'm getting really close so you guys can see like how freaking good this foundation is. Look how good it looks. I'm really like, I am super impressed with how well that went on and how good that looks. I am so freaking excited. Okay, let's continue with the rest of my face. I'm loving it. Okay, let's go with the CoverGirl True Blend. This is in Golden Amber. And I'm just going to add some of that here. Hopefully it mixes really well with foundation. So I did see this. This is something new for me to try. This is the Milani Supercharged Cheek and Lip Multitasking Stick. And this is the shade Electric Bronze. Okay, and I'm just going to... Oh, that's too light. I gotta get a deeper shade. It says for lips too. It feels like it's too oily for lips. Very cute, the color that it looks, but too oily. It looks too oily. Let's just go in with the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. This is Golden Haze. Gonna go in with the paintbrush, pick some of that up, and add that right on top. Ugh, I hate how it feels on my lips. It's like too oily. You know how something has like too much grease? Like that's what it feels like. Now I'm going to go in and just blend this using my Makeup Shack T29. We're just gonna go in circular motions and just buff this into my hairline, bringing it up very nicely. Just up. Coming down, patting that in. I hope that didn't disturb, or I had like a lot of oil. Hopefully it didn't disturb the foundation. Awesome. All right, now let's go in and blend this concealer. I'm really excited. I really like how everything is looking. The foundation really got me. Like so excited, you have no idea. So I seen this at Walmart. This is the NYX Sweet Cheek Soft Cheek Tint in Coralicious. You guys know I'm a sucker for peaches. Go in and let's just tap. Just a little right there and a little over here. Bunch, and we're going to use the butt and we're going to blend. That's pretty, it's not too much. So I'm just going to set my face Oh my god, you guys, I think I'm gonna be in love with the foundation. Like, I'm really loving just how everything is looking, the match, all of it. Now time to bronze our face. I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place bronze in the shade Museum, and we're gonna go in with the top color right here, and we are going to bronze. All right, I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild. F is for fun and U is for you and me, and S for anybody, nobody, Lucy. Purifying Setting Mist. All right. That sprayer's bomb. Okay, we're just going to pat everything in, soak all that powder that we laid down. We don't want it to look like we just went to our face. You know what I'm saying? I am loving the way this foundation is looking. Now let's go in with this shade right here, and we're going to apply that to our tear duct. I used this one a while ago. This is a ColourPop Fresh Kiss Glossy Lip Stain, and this one is Sugar Snap. It's enough for like hee-haw, you know? Currently 10:48 right now a.m. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see how the foundation looks, and we will continue our day. Here is how everything looks up close. Forehead. Oh, turn to this side. All right, it's 11:09. I went and straightened my hair and had to get the babies in check. So I'll keep you guys updated on how everything is lasting. I'm obsessed with how well this foundation looks. Like, it looks so freaking good. So stay tuned. It's currently 9:34. I am ready for sleep. I'm just so tired. I feel like it's been such a long day. I wanted to do another check-in, but I just can't, you guys. So looking at the foundation, the only thing I can see wrong with it is just I'm oily on my nose. I did set my face, but that does not guarantee that like you're not going to have any oil. So I'm sure, I say this pretty often when I like a foundation, if I were to blot throughout the day, it would be perfect. Nothing else has really moved. Right here is probably because like where I took a nap and went like that. I'm freaking tired, you guys. I'm so tired. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see up close before I remove any of the oil. So here is everything up close. Everything still looks pretty freaking good. Nose, the forehead, I got a little bit of settling, but I use a lot of expression when I talk. Here's this side. There's like nothing bad other than oily nose. The eyeshadow stayed on freaking good. Everything else looks freaking awesome. Okay, back to the foundation. So that is the oil that was on my face. Now you see, I'm sure if, that does not look right. I'm sure if I were to blot throughout the day, it would be perfecto. And if I didn't take a nap. But considering that I did take a nap, it does not look bad at all. Like, it really just, who's gonna be like, oh my god, girl, you took a nap? Oh, your face is red. Nadien. Nadien. And the eyeshadow is still on, still looks freaking good. Like, look at that. So I definitely give these products a big thumbs up. Let me know if you guys have tried any new makeup. What are some go-tos that you guys like? Let me know, and I would love to try some new recommendations. If you guys have any, please leave your recommendations down below. Why does that sound weird? Recommendations? Is that how you say it? I don't know, I'm freaking tired. I love you guys so much. Thumbs up if you guys enjoy this kind of video, this kind of content. And subscribe if you haven't already to keep updating my videos. Hit the notification bell if you would like to be notified every time I do post a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
You're so cute.
Bye.
You're so cute, Mama. I need that.